Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll delve deeper into the TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Missing out on crucial updates that could affect your investments would be a shame. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our recently launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has ranked TQQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.14. Now, let's dive into how the stock has been performing during this period. TQQQ has actually exceeded our expectations, with an impressive gain of 16.39% since we initially recommended buying it 26 days ago. This means that on average, TQQQ has been delivering a daily return of 0.63% since it was classified as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase in value. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 36.04% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 26.70% to 45.77%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is anticipated 87.83% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 29.88% to 100.27%. This means the price could range from $73.69 to $113.63 after a year. Our latest daily update for TQQQ brings a headline, weaker technical forecast for TQQQ as ETF downgraded to hold/accumulate. Yesterday, the TQQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 4.73%. It went from $59.56 to $56.74. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated 4.39% between a low of $55.44 and a high of $57.87. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 1.45% gain, but the price has been fluctuating. While volume increased by 36 million shares on the last day, prices were falling. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $5.28 billion worth of shares, amounting to 93 million shares, were bought and sold. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $61.14, while the lowest price was $20.13. Currently, the price is 7.2% below the 52-week high, amounting to $4.40. Furthermore, it is 70.27% below the all-time high recorded on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Let's analyze the signals for TQQQ, the popular ETF. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for TQQQ. However, the long-term average indicates a buy signal. As the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. It's important to note that if the ETF continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average around $58.14. Conversely, if the ETF falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $53.11. To generate a buy signal, the ETF would need to break through the short-term average, while a sell signal would occur if it breaks down through the long-term average. There are also some negative signals to consider, which could impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 9, 2024, resulting in a 5.86% decline so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that volume increased during the recent price decline, which may serve as an early warning. It is recommended to closely monitor the ETF in light of these signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One interesting signal is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which generated a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger signal, on the other hand, gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average also signaled a sell 2 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 27 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average generated a sell signal 21 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 65 days ago. When we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. When it comes to the downside, the ETF has some key support levels to watch out for. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $44.40 and $44.24. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there's a risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of TQQQ, the next support levels are at $44.40, $44.24, and $42.94. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with this ETF. TQQQ has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $2.44 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 4.39% change. Looking at the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 2.97%. Today, we'll be examining potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, TQQQ's first resistance level is at $56.95. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the flip side, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $44.40. If this support level remains strong, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss for this ETF at $53.91, which represents a decrease of 4.98%. This ETF experiences moderate daily price fluctuations, resulting in a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was detected from a recent pivot top 2 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? When it comes to TQQQ, there are both positive and negative signals to consider. Currently, the negative signals suggest that it may be a sell candidate. However, there is also a chance for a turnaround in the future, making it a potential hold candidate or a stock to accumulate while waiting for further development. While our analysis has downgraded TQQQ from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, it's important to note the potential for future growth. Looking at the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, February 14th, we expect TQQQ to open down $0.0583 and start trading at $56.68. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what target you have set for the ETF. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.